At DSM Talent, our top priority is the success of your business and the talent that keeps it running. As you may already be aware, the Philippines is currently navigating a national energy emergency stemming from geopolitical developments in the Middle East. For additional context, here's a report from BBC News.
The Philippines has seen numerous price hikes since the conflict started in the Middle East. And one issue is that 98% of the Philippines' oil supplies comes through the Persian Gulf. And so the country has really been suffering from everything from transportation to the price of rice, which has more than doubled as well, because of course rice has to be transported from wherever it's imported from into the cities and out to the rural areas as well. There was another rate hike just today, and that takes the price of diesel and petrol as well to more than double since the conflict started.
Let's talk about how the situation directly impacts our agencies and talent on the ground. Rising costs. Food and fuel prices have increased by over 50%. Potential rolling blackouts affecting homes, workspaces to save power. Internet interruptions that may disrupt communication and deliverables. Think of this the same way you would a typhoon, weather impacting a team member. Plan accordingly and lead with empathy. So here's what you can do. Look at equipment and backup power. Ensure the talent has access to backup power sources like UPS units, generators. Provide or recommend portable power banks for charging essential devices. 2. Processes and continuity planning. Just assume a 3-day power outage scenario and ask yourself, how will you and the talent continue working with minimal downtime? What are your failover plans? Limit energy consumption where possible. Reduce remote video meetings. Instead, leverage asynchronous communication. Utilize project management tools effectively, like Asana, Trello, Monday. Use chat messaging and voice recordings in place of live calls. And 3, internet outage preparedness. Confirm that the talent has a backup data plan, like a mobile hotspot or a secondary ISP. Prepare at least 1 day's worth of offline work queue so tasks can continue without connectivity. And 4, communication redundancy. In case your primary communication platform goes down, establish backup channels. Let's say you're using Slack now, but it goes down. Try setting up Google Chat, Discord, WhatsApp, right? Have that in place. And on our end, we are actively taking the following steps. Company-wide survey to assess each team member, talent, current situation, and readiness. Addressing individuals' concern on a case-by-case basis. Documenting equipment inventory and telecom provider details for every team member. And safe zone mapping, identifying safe hubs like co-working spaces, malls with generators in every major region, like NCR, Cebu, where talents can relocate if their home power is out for greater than 12 hours. You, as a business owner, and the Filipino people are resilient. A little adversary isn't going to stop you, and it won't stop us either. We are immensely proud of our team's dedication to delivering world-class results despite these challenges. Thank you for your continued partnership and for standing in solidarity with the talent that helps your business thrive. We will continue to monitor the situation and keep you informed as developments arise. For questions, concerns, or to discuss your continuity plan, reach out to us at support@dsmtalent.com. Thank you.